Alright, I think we play this game enough. It's time to replace some cards. Welcome to the review, guys. Today we're doing a review of the Catan Cities and Knights game cards. This is a box that you can get to replace all of the cards in the Cities and Knights expansion. If you play the 3 to 4 player, you're only going to need one box of these. If you play the 5 to 6 player, you're going to need an extra box. You're only going to need a couple cards out of this, so you'll end up with some extra cards that you can save for later. But we're going to open these up and show you guys what's inside. And like I said, this comes with everything you're going to need to replace all of your cards. There's 96 cards in here. You get all of the merchant cards, you get the other resource cards. Everything is in here nice and new, which is what we want. And they are inexact because they're made by the company that makes Catan. They look exactly like your original cards. So this is perfect for if you have torn cards or cards that you have just played with too much and they end up getting damaged. This is going to make it easy to replace those cards with nice, new, crisp cards. Also, highly recommend putting them in sleeves to keep them nice for a long, long time. So if you are looking for a great replacement deck of cards for your Catan Cities and Knights, we recommend this.